In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check watch history on X. When people talk about watch history on X, they usually mean two things. First, the videos they've liked and interacted with, and second, the deeper viewing history that X keeps in your account data. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through both of those, step by step, so you can quickly find videos you've watched and understand what X is storing about your activity. Start by opening your browser and going to the X Home dashboard. Make sure you're signed into the account whose history you want to review. Once you're on the home page, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a vertical menu with several options like Home, Explore, Notifications, and so on. In that left-hand column, click on Profile. This takes you to your public profile page where you can see your posts, replies, media, and other activity linked to your account. Near the top of this page, you'll notice several tabs, such as posts, replies, media, and likes. Go ahead and click on the Likes tab. This is the quickest way to see many of the videos you've interacted with. Any video post that you've liked will be listed here, in reverse chronological order. You can scroll through this feed to find a video you watched recently, or use the search bar at the top of X to refine what you're looking for by keywords, hashtags, or account names. Remember that this only shows content you've explicitly liked, so if you watched something without liking it, it may not appear here. If you want a more complete and technical record of your activity, including broader viewing data, you'll need to use your account settings. Look again at the left-hand column on the X homepage. This time, click on the option labeled More. A small menu will appear with several additional tools and settings. From that menu, select Settings and Privacy. This will open a settings page where you can manage everything from your account information to privacy and safety options. On this page, look for the section that lets you manage your account data. Within that section, click on Download an archive of your data. You'll now see the option to request a full archive of your X account data. Click on Request Archive. X may ask you to confirm your password or verify your identity for security reasons. After that, X will prepare a downloadable file containing your account information, including your viewing activity. This can take some time, and you'll receive a notification or email when the archive is ready. Once it's available, download it, open the file on your device, and you'll be able to explore a much more detailed record of your watch history on X.